I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2017 VW Scirocco. So what we do, over to your iTunes, click on a tune, play. I'll turn it down so it don't come through, but when you see the tune, you see at the bottom here, iPhone and VW BT, there's a tick next to that. So that means whatever audio plays on your phone will come through the system, should you have the system set up right. To set the system up to play music, then you have to go to media. I'm going to turn this down. Now that's on CD, so you have to click source and then select BT audio, and that's the record that's playing on here. So I'll just turn that down, turn that up, turn it off quickly before I get a copyright strike. That's how you do that.